Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to allow certain channels on YouTube Kids. You see, you can allow certain or specific channels on YouTube Kids by using the feature or the setting called approved content only. Now here's how you do it. The first thing you need to do is open up your YouTube Kids app on your child's device, tap on the gear icon or the settings icon, or it could be the three dots icon. And then the next thing you're going to do is enter your parental passcode. Once you've done that, select Approve Content Only. You will see a message explaining that your child will only be able to watch content you specifically approved. Then once you see that, next one, start approving content. Tap Select. You can now browse and select channels. To find and select channels you want your child to have access to, you can now browse and also select the videos. You can also approve individual videos if you don't only want to approve the channels. Let's say you want to see the exact video your child will see, approve individual videos. And once you do it all this, review and adjust. Always regularly review the list of approved content and make adjustments as needed and as the child grows. You can easily add or remove channels and videos from the approved list. Please note that parental control is a feature that is a very crucial part of YouTube Kids. You see, this approved channel only stuff is really important because it will help you to create a safe and age-appropriate viewing experience for your child. Also, do not just leave it at that. Regularly review the approved content list to ensure it aligns with your child's interests and developmental needs as they change. So by using the approved content only setting, you have more control over the content your child watches on YouTube Kids, creating a more personalized and safe viewing experience, which is what we want. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye for now.